Chink. What's up? Oh, I didn't see you there. Let's just give you a quick shot front how the organization is taking place.
Really gets overwhelming. But we still got time. We still got time. We gotta keep going. Just gotta keep pressing on. This front desk will never be clean. Ooh, there's enough Marvel Legends for everybody. What we got down here? Just going through bins, It's a case. And trying to sort things into categories. Model cars, and Ghostbusters, G.I. Joe, Marvel, Ninja Turtles. It just keeps going on. Miscellaneous, miscellaneous. Like, ooh, who cut my boobs? Oh, Elvira would how even be without her look. The red dresses, a little revealing. Or, that's Elvira for you. Yeah, so the Marvel's gonna, I think, go out to the front. Cause there's a bigger wall. I got tons of marble. Tons and tons of marble. I love marble, so makes sense. And we're getting things going here. Mall cars. The plushies are gonna go up. I'm putting toys on these shelves. These are the plushies shelves. We'll get more shelves for some video game type toys. Peach. Peaches, 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 peaches. Peaches, peaches, peaches. Got Mario Brothers, Street Fighter, and the video game haven. Now the video games are going on. From the Atari to the Nintendo, Super Nintendo, Sega Genesis, Neo Geo. I got it all hooked up sweet. So, I got adapters so you can get it all hooked up. Each one of these will have power and be able to just turn on and go to the TV. So when it comes on, they can all turn on and play without having to switch the back of the TV every time you want to switch systems or whatever. It's all hooked up on some adapters I got set up, so quick and easy gameplay to test out some games. We got up top the classic Thor mask. Some younger stuff, a couple of the retro games, some Mario. Just for this is cool. All the arcade games. It's like you're in a dang mini arcade. So we'll have the mini arcades ready here for sale. And then I think I'm gonna throw like a desk over here that has the plug to where you just can pick out one of the mini games and link it up on the desk and play it. A little extra feature for Mrs. Pac-Man. All linked up. All linked up. It's on there. So that this Mrs. Pac-Man's got upgraded. Wee. I think it's all. Yeah. So that's kind of the gist. Have some fun video gaming going on down here with items related to video games. Just hoping there's enough space to get everything out. showing you my mess. Alright, well, I'm just kinda keeping you updated. I know this is a crazy mess right now, but it's gonna be all sorted out soon, don't you?
Thanks for what?